The White House messaging on this is really interesting. They essentially say, and the president himself says, it could have been worse. So they take this 100,000 number and they say, think about what it could have been if we had not taken these steps. They largely ignore the fact, though, that 100,000 people still have died. And even though we get, the occasional reference from the president to those who died, to their families, he is much more focused on himself. He is much more focused on promoting his administration's response. He's much more focused on, again, the idea that this could have been worse. Yes, certainly you have public health officials who are advising the president who are pretty cautious about the reopenings, really emphasizing that this needs to be done in a slow and methodical way, and that we need to be prepared also to pull back. That this is not going to be a straight line. The messaging, though, from the president himself and from most of his political advisors is very different. This is a president and a campaign that had expected to be running for reelection on a really strong economy. That was going to be the Trump card. That was going to be the argument to voters who are sick of the Trump tweets, sick of the Trump rhetoric, but were happy with where the economy was. And now that rug has been pulled out from underneath them and it has been replaced by a historic pandemic. And that is a factor in how they are trying to muddle their way through this. A lot of the messaging now focuses on give me a chance to get that economy back.